The CC-14 is our compact engine carbon cleaner. Small but powerful, the CC-14 is suitable for smaller engines such as motorbike and outboard engines, as well as cars.
Carbon builds up layer on layer when fuel combusts in the engine cylinders. This affects the smooth running of the engine, creates more friction, misfires, clogged valves, fouled spark plugs, and can even stop the engine working entirely. Cells inside the machine split water molecules into oxygen and hydrogen gas, known as HHO or oxyhydrogen. This is fed into the engine through the air intake to combust through the fuel. This increases the burn temperature enough to atomize the carbon deposits in the combustion chamber. The atomized carbon is safely expelled through the exhaust system as a gas. A 30-minute treatment will clean out the engine, restoring performance, giving you a better driving experience, improving your fuel economy by making your engine more efficient, and will lower your vehicle emissions for a more environmental ride.
The CC-14 has an adjustable timer to adapt to different sized engines in the passenger vehicle car park. This can be set from the control panel, and the machine can be left to run the length of the time chosen and subsequently will shut down automatically. This unit also includes the CAMS connector as charge-activated mechanical shutdown, which connects to the 12-volt vehicle battery. This means that the connector will cease gas production should the engine stop running. With this added safety feature, this allows the machine operator to carry on with other tasks whilst the CC-14 gets on with the rest. With no expensive refills, just water and electrolyte, and impressive results time and again, a CC-14 engine carbon cleaner is an almost effortless revenue generator for any small workshop. Get in touch, speak to our experts and organise a free demo of the CC-14 in action.